When I was a university student, I spent 1 year working in Slimani. That meant that I was living in Slimani in January 2008, when the city experienced a very bad blizzard. We had just moved into a new rental house in the neighborhood of Iskan, very close to the University of Slimani dormitories. When this winter storm came, there was very little electricity, and all of our water pipes froze for 1 week. So I had no way to take a hot shower, or wash my clothes, or even to get warm. Now, I am someone who gets cold very easily, so I will do whatever it takes to find a hot shower. So one day I decided that I would go to the public bathhouse near the university, the حەمامە. It was only a 10-minute walk from our house, and I found it without too much difficulty. When I arrived at the bathhouse, everyone seemed a little surprised. Not only was I the only man there who was not Kurdish, I was also the only young man. But even though the older Kurdish men were a little confused about why this American kid was coming to the hammam, they were still hospitable, and they gave me some soap and a towel and showed me to a private shower room where I could take as long of a shower as I wanted. That day, I think I took the longest shower of my life, and it was amazing. And of course, after the hot shower, they also served hot chai. During that long winter, I came back to the bathhouse many times. It was the only place in the city where I could feel truly warm. After a while, the old men just smiled whenever I would come. There's that American kid again. We don't understand why he keeps coming back, but he sure seems to like it here. It's true. To this day, I feel like that bathhouse saved my life. I hope you enjoyed this true story from my time in Kurdistan. هیوادارم ئەم چیرۆکەی ڕاستەقینە دەربارەی ژیانم لە کوردستان خۆش بووبێت بۆ تۆ. Now, let's learn some useful vocab from this story. I said that Slimani had a very bad blizzard in 2008. A blizzard is a bad winter storm, bafareki zor, with lots of snow and sometimes ice. Next, I said that we moved into a rental house in the Iskan neighborhood. A rental house is خانووێکی کرێ, where the people who live there don't own it, but pay rent every month to live there. This house was close to the university dormitories. A dormitory is where university students live if their families live in a different city. In Kurdish, this is dakhli zanko. That winter, I wasn't able to take a hot shower at home. To take a shower is the phrasal verb that we use for khoshordan la hammam. But when you are standing up and the water is coming down on you from above. Finally, I said that the old men were confused to see me at the bathhouse. To be confused means that you don't fully understand why or how something is happening. In Kurdish, you say sari le shawawa. Try to practice these words today and use them in your daily conversation. 1. Blizzard. 2. Rental house. 3. Dormitory. 4. Take a shower. And 5. Confused. Khalagian. If these words were helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Agar amushana basud bin boto bala birit nachet, subscribe ka bo am channel. Spastakam khala barez. Until tomorrow, hata sabeni, khwahafiz.